How's it? I'm Ron, a professional boot of over 10 years experience. And today, I'm going to show you how to clean your machine. Because if your PC ain't clean, how are you going to look after the bonnets, my boy? So first, you clap it with a blower. Then you use South Africa's favorite, handy Andy. Then you use a pressure washer. Then you let the sun clap it in the face to dry. Then you regret your life decisions. Then you go on to Evetech to buy a new PC. Then you watch this lekker hoekie ook tune you how to clean the PC. Then profit and bonnets. So don't be a boot without a budget, otherwise you're gonna miss out on all the bonnets at H2O, my boy.
This video only serves for demonstration purposes. We do not endorse cleaning with water on any PC components, bonnets not included.